Well, hello there, friends. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing like the easiest seat repair that you could possibly do that won't even cost you a penny. I didn't even mean a dollar, I mean a penny. Okay, absolutely free. What it is just labor. And I'm going to show you here in a second. So I'm not going to go so this is what I'm talking about right here. Look at that. The material split right there and right here. So I'm going to show you how to fix that using the original material. So that means that we have zero cost on material. And we're going to fix that for him. I'd already discussed it with the customer. And I told him and explained to him what I was going to be doing. And he was fine with that because it's going to be the cheapest way to go. So here we are. Through the step-by-step on how to disassemble and take off this seat cover here. Because it has to come off in order for me to put it underneath the sewing machine, right? Because it might not be fair to you, because the process on this vehicle may be a lot different or somewhat different than what you would have on your own vehicle, whether it be a car or a truck. So I'm just going to just start taking it apart. 5 minutes later. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark where I'm going to take it in. That's only going to help me when it comes time to do that sewing. Same thing right here. That'll tell me how far I have to go. Many of you know Lucille. So Lucille is the box cutter. So you can see what I did with Lucille, the box cutter, is I take my grinder and I rough up the edge. So what it does is it tears apart the thread, without destroying the vinyl. Okay, now let's take the seat cover off. Well, would you look at that? Looks like it's already undergone some surgery. Looks like there's a foam repair. So now this one's going to be the easy one, because look at that. All I have to do is just fold it over, and I'm just going to take it in just a little bit right there. Just like that. So now for technique number 6742. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw in myself a seam allowance right here, just below that damage, like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew on that white line. Okay, let's go ahead and put it all back together now. And that, my friends, is the disappearing act. Right there. It just went away, didn't it? Looks like nothing ever happened to it. So I'm just going to continue putting the rest of it together. And we'll put it back in the truck. Okay, we'll install the cover back on. This is a late model vehicle, so it has this type of a listing. Presses into the little plastic clips, but if you have an older vehicle, you'll be using hog rings. I also have a video about hog rings, how to use hog ring pliers the correct way. You can find that on my channel. So now we'll clean off the white china marker with the mineral spirits. Okay, so let's go put it back in the truck.
Ten minutes later.
Well, there, my friends, so there it is. Just like new, without spending any money. So I know everybody's been staring at this right here this whole time, right? Well, I'm going to fix this here after this one. Till next time, we'll see ya.